Well, Friday, July 31st, and Dad's just catching his breath here and giving the dogs a quick pet. And old Charlie hasn't moved too far. He's not going to move too much further. But a little cooler today in the shop for Dad and the dogs. Did you get anything done today besides visiting, or? Okay. So one of the things I forgot to mention the other day is the customer decided we're just gonna fill up all the tires, put new tubes in, and he's going to wait for foam filling next year. And Dad's just turning off the fan here so he can describe a few more of his work here. It's been apocalyptically hot here, guys, so Dad can only do what he can do, and looks like he worked on more of the cage system here today.
Cage is finished, the light is back on.
And everything's painted too, I noticed, so that's good. And he had to, if you noticed before, he had to cut out a bunch of that, or actually arrived damaged, so he put in new pipe, new wire, new tie straps, painting, and welded everything back into place. So that light had to get fitted. And there's Peter. Good. We haven't seen Peter in God knows how long. Are you coming to the West Canada with us for dinner or what?
No, I just come into town. I don't have more with them.
Oh, okay. Well, so Dad's working on the airboat, and yeah, we were starting to think that Peter didn't like us anymore. And then here he goes. He just shows up out of the blue. So yeah, there's not too much going on here, guys. Long weekend here this weekend. Monday's Terry Fox Day. Canadians know who Terry Fox is, but everybody else, I just want to let you know that's one of Canada's heroes. He was Order of Canada recipient, one of the youngest Order of Canada recipients in Canada's history. I think he got it at the age of 16, but he did the run for the miracle cure for cancer across Canada. He actually died just outside of Thunder Bay. And so, yeah, anybody in Canada can barely talk about Michael J. Fox, not Michael J. Fox, without talking about Terry Fox without getting a tear in their eye. So we recognize the August long weekend as Terry Fox Day now. So with, I don't know what's left on the job here with this airboat, but Dad's eager to get out the door. Hopefully Aidan's back on Tuesday, and they can get back to working on that Bombardier. It is going to be August right away tomorrow, so told Dad he's got to step up his pace and get that Bombardier out the door, because we got other guys that want to come in for work, and the dogs want to see the Bombardier out. And Mila's just loves it at the shop, loves being here. I think she could move in with us no problem. Charles is in charge, is tackling his yummies bones. Happy to see Peter out here again, and the other dogs are outside having their treats. Did you bring Schooner?
Yep.
Good.
Dog fest.
Good. Well, we like dog fests. And there's Yeti the Yetters and Filipino Emily. And I don't know where Schooner Shop Dog went, but he'll be around here somewhere. I think I saw the cat around. Hi, Schooner! It's over there. So just marking his territory. Yeah, this is just another dog day afternoon here. And these guys will probably go swimming later on. They're just having their treats. Ticks have died down. Flies are in full force now, though. But neighbors cutting hay. Still cutting hay. And there's our Schooner Shop Dog. Hi, Schooner Shop Dog. Are you happy to be back? Oh, yeah, Uncle. I just love it here. So, yeah, guys, it's just another quick shop update. Hopefully we can get back to this Bombardier for you guys, because I kind of feel guilty, but just so damn hot here, guys. And it's really doing a number on Dad. And so, yeah, that's it. We'll big shout out to our normal super fans that comment all the time, like Jeff Anderson and Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy and Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson and my Auntie Joyce, who hypes her videos. If you're on a cell phone, there's some sort of feature where you can hype videos, and like you get extra points and whatnot. So please, if you can, hype her videos so we can get everybody back. Dad's just shy of 2,000 subscribers, and our view count's really low because it's summertime. Nobody wants to watch Bombardier videos, so we drop off in the summer. But kind of need you guys to help us carry the torch here. Still trying to do 3 videos a week, and just so you guys have some content to watch. But we'll check you on the next one. Okay, love you all, by the way. This is my knuckle-headed dog, and look at the size of the hole she just dug. Like 2 months old and digging a china already. Hey, what did you dig down there? Jeez.